So this company was nice enough to send me out one of their products, and it's the Thinkware dashcam, the Q1000 model. Now, it's an independent review. I'm not being paid to do this review, anything like that. They just sent me the product out. Let me see what I think of it, and then we can leave it from there. So what we're going to do today is the initial unboxing, and then in the second video I will do the full installation in my car, and then we will do the test footage, etc. Now, there's quite a few things I do like about this product. I went on their website, had a look. I wasn't sure which one they were going to send me, but it was this model here, the Q1000. It's packed with features compared to some of the other dash cams I've used, which have been good. I can't complain. You know, the cheaper ones on Amazon, I did a review a week or so ago on one. I held off fitting that one because I'm going to fit this one in my car as well. I think this one is going to be better suited to me because it is just hardwired in, and it's left, and then it does everything else by an app, which I thought sounded amazing. But what I'm just going to show you first is the difference between, we'll do the unboxing, and then I'll show you the difference between this sort of dash cam and the cheaper ones that you see on Amazon, eBay, etc. Now, this one is retailing just over £200 at £230, I think, for the single camera model, but you can also add a lot of extras to this. But yes, it's going to be a win if you've got a family, maybe you've got your daughter or your son, they've just started driving. Get this one fitted. You're going to have a lot of real-time data, which we will talk about anyway as we go through the unboxing. So like I said, thanks again to Thinkware Dashcam for sending this one out, and let's get the unboxing done. Let's see what we get. Okay, first off, nice packaging, as you would expect for something over £200. Move that to the side, and then we're with this one. Okay, so let me see what we have. Right, okay, so we've got the dash cam. Don't forget, guys, if you like these videos, do subscribe to the channel. If you watch them, and then even if you disappear, just leave a like, because it does help the channel immensely. Okay, we've got a few bits and bobs in here. Let's get everything out of the box, and then we can remove the box to one side. We've got a memory card as well. Okay, and we've got some poison for the trolls. So don't forget, if you don't subscribe, we're going to send this out to you, and may you have a bad tummy. Right, so that's everything we've got in the box. Let me see. So we've got the 3M sticky adapters. What size is this memory card? God, I need my glasses on today. So we've got a 32 gig memory card with the adapter there as well. All good, I shall say. Let's get everything out of the boxes, and then we can see what we've got. Memory card. The camera itself is the main component. We will leave that to one side. Let's see what else we've got. We've got the customer service information and a manual. We've got a heat blocking film. Okay. That must be to put on your dashboard. We've got some little 3M backed cable sort of clips there, to help do the tidying of the cable. We've got the wiring kit itself, which is, like I said, hardwired, which is something I would definitely approve on compared to the other style we've got. I will show you in a minute. Okay, so that looks simple enough. We're going to have 2 lives and a ground. Super simple. It's going to be simple to fit, I'm sure. What have we got here? We've got a little polarizing filter here. Now, what this will do is we'll cut, I'm a photographer, so I can explain this to you. It will cut out the glare of the glass as obviously you're going to put this on the inside of your car. Anything that goes through glass when recording, you do get a bit of sort of like glare. This is good. That little filter there will cut down on the glare. So that's a good addition. And then we've got a mounting plate. And that's it. Right, okay. Now, let's put all the bits to one side. The camera itself, it does feel premium quality. Now, it's one of these ones that doesn't have a, let me just show you a cheap one. So this is a cheap one off Amazon with the monitor on the back. Now, if you want something a little bit more discreet, this is the way to go. It's got the record, excuse me, it's got the record button, we've got a microphone button, we've got a format button, we've got Wi-Fi and the power on and off. Now this has also got GPS built in and quite a few other functions that we will talk about in just a tick. Now it's a 2K camera. Now with something this sort of price, I'm assuming the quality is going to be really good. You'll get this one that states it's 4K, but I mean, this is a 1080, sorry. The quality's alright on these, but I'm assuming this one is going to be much more superior in quality. So what have we got? I'm just going to read a few specs off the screen. We've got, like I said, 2K Quad HD camcorder front dash, okay? Now you can get this with a rear mounted one as well, but they sent me just a single camera. I'm happy with that. We've got 4G connected LTE app, Android or for Apple. We've got the hotspot connection, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. So yeah, these sort of features you're just not going to get in something for like 40, 50 pounds on Amazon. You've got to sort of like spend 200 plus, I guess, 150 maybe upwards. I've not looked at other models to get these sort of features, I would assume. Right, so we've got road safety. Right, so this is one of the features I'm thinking is going to be really good. So if you're in a collision, or someone's in a collision in the car and your phone is in there, obviously it's connected to the internet, you will get a live collision notification telling you that something has happened to the car. Now, even if it's parked up, you'll get live notifications if you've got some sort of Wi-Fi in there, I'm assuming. So that is a really good feature. Like I said, if you've got a kid, they're using your car, you want to know where you're at now. But yeah, I mean, at first glance, the product does feel premium compared to something that is costing £40, I think this was. It's, yeah, you can see straight away it's a superior product. Plastics feel better. It just feels, it feels better. It doesn't feel cheap anyway. So like I said, the hard wiring feature compared to, let me just show you on this one. I can't show you on that one. Where's that at? There we go. So on, the cheaper versions, they are all powered by one of these, which goes into your cigarette lighter socket or your auxiliary socket into the camera, and then it gives you two USBs, which is great, but it does take up the socket, and the cables can be a little bit annoying. So that's done away with, and we're going to hardwire this straight into the fuse box in the car, which will make it a lot neater. This sits up on your dashboard, out the way, and you just forget about it and it's going to do its thing. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. In the next video, we'll try and get that out tomorrow or the day after. We will do the installation. That might be a longer video, of course, but yeah, it's a definite win. I'll leave the link to the website. Anyway, I don't think we're going to have any issues installing this product. Anyway, again, thanks to Thinkware dashcams for sending this me in the post. We'll get it fitted in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.